Just recently, a monumental discovery has been made: the Oak Island treasure, a mystery that has captivated people for generations, has finally been unearthed. This is a treasure that has fueled countless legends, inspired explorers from all over the world, and spurred more than 2 centuries of speculation and fascination. For years, Oak Island has been at the center of a tantalizing mystery that lured many brave souls to uncover its secrets, but most left empty-handed and disappointed. Now, after a long and arduous search, the treasure has finally been found. Oak Island, a modest but enigmatic 57-hectare island located in Mahone Bay, Nova Scotia, Canada, is surrounded by 360 small islands. Rising around 36 feet above the bay's waves, it is connected to the mainland by a 660-foot causeway, making it both accessible and secluded enough to house hidden mysteries. The island is only a short distance from the charming village of Chester on the mainland, but for hundreds of years, it remained a remote enigma. Rumors about its hidden treasures and historical relics spread far and wide, drawing adventurers as far back as the late 1700s. In those days, the island was parceled out into lots, with each plot holding potential mysteries waiting to be discovered. Among those drawn to Oak Island were Rick and Marty Lagina, 2 brothers who grew up fascinated by the idea of discovering buried treasure. From a young age, Rick was captivated by tales of the island and its alleged riches, and as an adult, he and his brother Marty embarked on a quest to uncover the island's secrets. The brothers' journey has been filled with highs and lows, incredible discoveries, and daunting challenges that tested their determination and resilience. A lifetime of curiosity turned into action when Rick Lagina's fascination with Oak Island began at the age of 10, sparked by an article in Reader's Digest about the mysterious money pit, a term used to describe a deep, trap-filled shaft rumored to contain hidden treasure. The money pit legend suggested that various traps and intricate booby traps protected something of immense value at the bottom of the pit. For Rick, this was the spark that ignited a lifelong passion, and years later, he teamed up with his brother Marty to bring his dream to life. The Lagina brothers purchased a majority stake in Oak Island, determined to solve its mystery and uncover any treasures that lay hidden within. Armed with modern technology, historical research, and an unshakable resolve, the brothers embarked on their quest. Their search was chronicled in the popular television series The Curse of Oak Island, which not only captivated audiences but also documented the brothers' discoveries, theories, and setbacks. Each episode drew in viewers as Rick and Marty pieced together clues and artifacts from the past, creating an unfolding story that kept people glued to their screens. Over the years, the Lagina brothers have used every tool at their disposal to uncover the island's secrets. They employed metal detectors, sonar, and magnetometers, as well as teams of divers and archaeologists, to search underwater and on land. Their dedication was rewarded with a series of intriguing discoveries, including pottery shards, ancient coins, pieces of wood, and mysterious documents written in code. Each discovery seemed to tell part of Oak Island's story, hinting at the presence of ancient visitors or perhaps even lost civilizations that once frequented the area. One of the early finds was a Roman sword discovered during the 3rd season of their expedition. The artifact was particularly exciting because it suggested that explorers or traders from faraway lands might have visited Oak Island long before European settlers arrived. This find, along with a coin marked with a symbol linked to the secret of Knights Templar, added weight to the theory that Oak Island held treasures connected to this fabled medieval order. The Templars were a wealthy and influential Christian military order that amassed vast riches and knowledge in the Middle Ages. Some historians and treasure hunters believe the Templars transported their wealth across the Atlantic Ocean and concealed it on Oak Island. Discoveries like the Roman sword and Templar coin hinted at a grander connection, adding an element of mystique and a potential religious significance to the search for Oak Island's treasure. As their search progressed, Rick and Marty uncovered another significant clue: a map dating back to 1647, discovered during their 4th season of exploration. This ancient French map contained strange symbols and markings that hinted at possible treasure locations on the island. Interestingly, these symbols seemed to bear similarities to the marks used by the Freemasons, another group shrouded in mystery and secrecy. To help interpret the map, the Lagina brothers enlisted historian Zena Halpern, a specialist in ancient symbols and maritime history. Zena believed the map could be a copy of an even older document that the Freemasons might have used to guide them in their quest for treasure. Her theory suggested that the Freemasons, like the Knights Templar, may have hidden a vast hoard of wealth on Oak Island. The idea of a Templar-Freemason connection deepened the intrigue surrounding Oak Island's mystery, offering a tantalizing glimpse into an ancient treasure that spanned generations and continents. Not all of the Lagiina brothers' explorations took place on land. At one point, they expanded their search to the waters around Oak Island, believing that evidence of a shipwreck could be hidden beneath the waves. Using a magnetometer, they scanned the area near Frog Island, where they detected unusual signals that hinted at a potential shipwreck. Eager to investigate, they brought in renowned diver Tony Sampson and underwater archaeologist Dr. Lee Spence to explore further. Their dives revealed a large metal object buried under aquatic vegetation, possibly part of an old vessel. Although visibility was poor, the divers found other indications of a shipwreck, such as pieces of wood and metal. However, they faced significant obstacles in retrieving these objects, and their discoveries left them with more questions than answers. To proceed with a full excavation, the Lagiinas would need permission from government authorities to continue their underwater explorations, adding yet another layer of complexity to their quest. Back on Oak Island, the brothers focused their attention on Lot 8, an area rich with historical artifacts. Using advanced metal detection techniques, they uncovered several intriguing finds, including a red gemstone and a large metal object buried deep underground. These items sparked speculation about their origins and possible connections to the Knights Templar and the legendary Ark of the Covenant. Their discoveries didn't end there. At the island's interpretive center, Rick's team analyzed an old piece of parchment paper, leading to the discovery of a replica cannon dating back to the 16th century. The cannon was similar in size to those used by European naval forces at the time and could have been brought to the island to protect something of great value. In one of their most ambitious ventures, Rick and his team traveled to Portugal to explore the Quinta de Regalira, an ancient palace associated with the Knights Templar. Here, they discovered a 9-level well that bore a striking resemblance to Oak Island's money pit. The similarity between the well's design and the money pit led them to wonder if the Templars had used similar structures to hide their treasures across different lands. At a nearby historic church, the team found additional symbols and carvings that matched those found on Oak Island, further cementing the possibility of a Templar connection. The church and palace offered tantalizing clues, as these landmarks had been used by the Templars for rituals and ceremonies. With each discovery, Rick and Marty Lagiina inch closer to uncovering the truth behind Oak Island's legend. Their journey has inspired people from all over the world, drawing viewers, historians, and amateur treasure hunters alike. The Lagiina brothers' story is one of dedication, resilience, and a lifelong dream, showing that the pursuit of treasure is about more than just wealth. It's about unraveling history's secrets and connecting with the stories of those who came before. The brothers continue to dig, driven by hope and an unrelenting belief that Oak Island holds answers waiting to be uncovered. While the legendary treasure may still lie buried beneath layers of soil, rock, and water, Rick and Marty's passion and determination inspire hope that Oak Island's mysteries will someday be revealed.